Hey, folks, look at us. Here we are on our road show once again with our buddies with Data Magic. Brian here with All In with Brian Weatherford, and we're really excited to be here today. It's not often we get to do this, but frankly, it's not often we get to interview people associated with a company like Data Magic. Look, Shane, you're back. Hi, Shane. Welcome.
Thanks.
Glad to have you here. So we've got some other good-looking guys here in the studio, kind of spruce the setup just a little bit. Care to introduce them?
I thought they were getting bored with you and I, so bring somebody else in.
Easily
here.
Understandable.
Yeah, spruce it up. So we were talking earlier about the different verticals that we work with.
Sure.
And it's typically like manufacturing and the distribution type companies or, along those lines. But occasionally we'll get some customers in here that have a little bit of a unique business. So met these guys through a referral, and it's from Donna Higdell and with Synergy Marketing. And I thought these guys had a unique product that you guys might want to hear about.
Oh, yeah.
So introduce you. This is Rob and Alex with Big Air.
Big Air.
Big Air Trampoline Park.
Oh, okay. Not Big Hair. We are in Texas. Okay. Big Air Trampoline Park.
That's correct. So I'm going to let...
Pass that microphone. I'm dying to hear about this. Rob, welcome.
Thank you.
Big Air.
Big Air Trampoline Park, yes. Alex and I couldn't be more excited about what we're doing and bringing to the community.
Well, it kind of hits into my background. I've always been in the fun business my whole life, so I applaud you guys you're going to love it, getting out there selling fun. But let's back up just a little bit. So is your background in that as well, or is this a new venture for both of you?
No, sir. No, I came from 20 years in financial services.
Okay.
And, Alex is a physician.
Nice.
And so we both have daughters and kids, and so we're building a park more for parents along with kids.
Okay, that's a whole new twist. Okay, let me ask you something real quick. If you could pass that. So, good morning. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
How you like our studio?
It's great. It's awesome. Comfortable.
Darn near palatial, I would say. So, when you guys partnered up, decided to get into business. Now, I'm a little bit familiar with it. It's a franchise deal, right?
It is.
Was that something you said, let's go the franchise route? How did you decide to go with a franchise?
It came primarily by opportunity.
Okay.
Rob and I are neighbors, and we spend plenty of evenings chit-chatting about our life's goals and the direction we want to take. And I think we both came to a point in our lives where we needed to take different directions. And we looked at other franchise opportunities. We eventually settled with the Big Air franchise.
Okay.
It's a smaller franchise, allowed us the opportunity to have a support system in place, but also some flexibility to do some things that we thought would bring new ideas to this industry.
Well, so as business owners like you are, did you quickly find out that you need some help in the IT realm, or did you try to do it yourself initially?
Oh, we quickly realized that we are non-IT gentlemen trying to navigate the IT world. We have friends that are in IT, but we clearly need a lot of support.
All right, pass the mic back. All right, question for you. Back on the IT end. Any small business, we talk to small business people on the show all the time. And we always tell them, and we don't even have to tell them, it doesn't matter if it's a flower shop, a transmission shop, a Big Air trampoline park, whatever it is. You've got enough stuff to do with what you have to do with your business. Find professionals to handle the other stuff. Would you agree?
Absolutely. And as Alex said, we're not professionals. Between the two of us, we feel confident about what we'll be able to do in running the park. But the supporting services, we knew from an IT network servicing standpoint, we needed somebody. And we interviewed a number of firms.
Okay.
We came across Data Magic through my good friend Donna Higdell at Synergy Marketing, and was impressed with Shane from the first time we spoke. We liked that Shane asked us the questions to help understand the industry that we were getting into. Admitted that, hey, look, we work with a lot of different industries, and we're excited to work with you in the family entertainment. And we feel that Shane and the Data Magic team are going to be with us, are going to be our back office support, which is what we need.
It's what all small businesses say. Okay, Shane, let me ask you then. So you work, as you stated, with a variety of businesses in a variety of fields. But is there commonality as far as it comes to the IT side?
Absolutely. And we've been through this. They're going through a lot of new construction, obviously, to transform this. It was an old Best Buy. They're transforming it into this trampoline park. And we've worked with lots of different vendors when it comes to phones, internet, cabling, all those things. We tie it all in together. That's why they call it managed services.
Right.
Is that we're managing all these different vendors so that they're not having to get the runaround and try to speak the language of all these different vendors. We come in and help them.
Because you're familiar with all of them.
Correct. And we've been through it, and I just don't want guys like this to go down a path that...
Is it unique for you and Data Magic to be there from day one? I mean, saying run the cable this way?
It really, especially in this, because once you get the trampolines in, it's not like you could just pop a ladder up over where the trampoline is. You need everything cabled and think about the future of if you did want to add things to the network. So it was really great getting in early.
Well, without mentioning any names or companies, has there ever been an instance where you met with someone and said, I'm sorry, I don't want to work with you?
I think you actually wanted to be my customer.
We weren't going to mention names, Shane. Okay. No, but seriously, you're the type of guy, you know what people need, but if they don't want to hear about it, say, no, we don't want to go that route. You can't do it.
Sometimes they just work themselves out. It works that way. Basically, once you go over your services and how you do business, sometimes it makes sense and sometimes it does not. So,
all right, Rob and Alex, back to the business here. How are we looking? I mean, being your first time into this, there's a lot of things coming at you from all directions, I'm guessing.
There is no doubt about it. We're learning every day, something new. But it's exciting. It's exciting when it's your business. And because we've both been on the corporate side, whether it's in medicine or financial services, having your own business brings you this new bit of zest and energy.
Absolutely.
That wants to have you get up every single day and drive harder and harder. But again, we still need partners that can help, because if I or Alex were to try and figure out how to set up the computers, it would not be the best use of our time.
Wouldn't it be great to find a Data Magic in all fields?
Yes.
All the stuff you're going through now, if you can pick up the phone and call the Shane of some other industry to get in there.
We asked Shane if he could install the trampolines for us. So he's still getting back to me on that.
Well, he's pretty well connected. He might be able to find. Me personally, I learned a long time ago I'd never ride a bicycle that I built. So I want to bring in the pro bicycle builder like you guys decided to bring in the pro. And it's not just Shane once again. Have you got to meet other people here with Data Magic?
We have. Shane's helped us with phone, internet, Wi-Fi, dealing with some of the major providers, which honestly we as the little guy didn't want to deal with. And so knowing that Shane and the Data Magic team have relationships with these folks, or more know how to navigate the larger corporate entities that are truly the 800-pound gorillas, was daunting to us. Even so far as we made an initial call to a very large service provider, was quoted a price, and then when we talked to Shane and those guys, he said, "No, we know how to work with those guys and get the price down."
Boom. Well, that's what's so important out there, folks. And these guys, like so many of the successful business owners, like you guys are and will continue to be, figure out from day one. Find a hole and fill it. So if there's something they're not experts at, find somebody to do it so they can get back here and focus. You guys have traveled down the right road with this. Care to add anything else here, Doc?
No, I think Rob has pretty much said it all. He always does most of the speaking for both of us. But no, we're looking forward to this project, just like Rob said, and it really. We're taking a different path in our careers, and we're excited about it, and we're glad that we have the support of companies like Data Magic that can help us get this off the ground and running.
Well, I've been in the phone business my whole life. I wish you guys the best. It's fun, but it's still a business. But as long as you put the people first, that's why it's called a people business. Because if you don't take care of the people, there ain't going to be any business. And Shane, that's what you guys do. You're in the people business in your own way too. And it's so cool to see you guys together. All the neat companies you work with, a brand new industry for you, but you're going to treat them the same way that you guys have treated everybody else for all these years. So that's our new friends, folks. Keep your eyes out. Big Air Trampoline Park. You'll be hopping over there in no time at all. And remember, if you have computers and you're going to talk to them, it's all going through Shane and his folks with Data Magic. So thank you all for being here. Shane, thank you as always. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
We'll be right back here on All In. Take care.